Your left eyelid has been twitching for 3 days, and you told yourself it is nothing. It is not. It is an involuntary discharge in your motor cortex, one of 10 calibration failures your nervous system executed this week without your permission. Every one of them has a trigger you already activated. Number 1. The sustained eye twitch. Your eyelid fires because the motor cortex accumulated more electrical pressure than it can hold. The system vents excess load through the smallest available pathway. It worsens with screen time. It spikes with caffeine. You are waiting for it to stop right now. Number 2. The jaw clench. Your teeth ache before your first coffee. The trigeminal nerve locks your jaw during sleep at 10 times normal bite force, automatically routing unprocessed stress through the one motor pathway your brain cannot consciously shut off. Enamel cracks accumulate silently for months. Number 3. The 3 a.m. wake, same hour, every night. The adrenal system releases cortisol early to prepare you for the day. But when baseline stress is already elevated, that pre-dawn surge fires full alertness while your brain is still offline. You surface into consciousness already in threat mode. No event, no cause. You stared at your ceiling this week. Number 4. The word that vanishes. Your mouth is open, the sentence is half done, the next word is gone. Cortisol overload blocks hippocampal retrieval, cutting access to a word used thousands of times. The word exists, the route to it does not. You stopped mid-sentence at work this week and no one noticed what was happening inside your skull. Number 5. The numb hands. Your fingers go numb in a meeting you did not think was stressful. Unconscious, rapid breathing constricts the blood vessels feeding the extremities. Your nervous system is reporting that circulation dropped because your brain silently classified the situation as a threat. You shook your hands out and blamed the air conditioning. The 5 you just heard are the ones you dismissed. The next 5 are the ones you should not have. Number 6. The metallic taste. Copper floods your mouth from nothing. Acute stress produces an invisible fluctuation in the gustatory receptors, a phantom signal your brain cannot distinguish from real chemistry. It is a documented precursor to a fainting event. You swallowed it this month and moved on. Number 7. The resting heart spike. You are completely still. Nothing happened. Your heart accelerates to 100 beats per minute. The sinoatrial node received a ghost command from the sympathetic nervous system. Your brain now scans the dark room for a threat that was never there. You felt it before sleep this month and waited for it to pass. Number 8. The 1-second blackout. You stand up. For 1 full second, you do not know where you are. Your vestibular system, the internal gyroscope, loses synchronization during the vertical shift. You called it a head rush. It was a forced orientation failure with no external cause. Number 9. The cold sweat. Room is cool, shirt is damp. The hypothalamus fires a sweat command based on internal chemical signals that contradict the actual environment. Blood sugar instability during fasting hours produces heat redistribution your body treats as emergency cooling. You opened a window this month that did not need opening. Number 10. The eye flash. White light streaks across your vision in a lit room. The gel inside your eye is contracting under pressure, physically pulling on the retina. The retina cannot distinguish a mechanical tug from a photon. It reports light. That pull, ignored, progresses without a second warning. You blinked it away this month. 10 calibration failures, not diseases, design constraints of biological hardware running on a cycle it was never built for. The average adult triggers 6 per month without connecting them. You now hold the complete glitch map of your own nervous system under normal load. Most people running this hardware do not. Your eyelid tomorrow, the motor cortex will vent again and you will wait. Your jaw tonight, the trigeminal nerve will grind for 8 hours below your awareness. Your fingers at your desk, the vessels will constrict before you realize you are stressed. your eyes in a lit room. The gel will pull, and the retina will report light that was never there. The hardware has not changed. The load has not dropped. The only thing different now is that every misfire has a name.